Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can hide your name while playing on Valorant. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to hide your in-game name on Valorant, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, you will need to go to your Valorant settings. So to do that, just press the escape key on your keyboard. And after that, you will now be on your Valorant settings. So now that you're on settings, I want you to go to the general tab right here. So here in the general tab is where you can customize your overall game settings, such as adjusting visual, language, and interface settings, and this is also where you can hide your Valorant in-game name when playing. So to do that, just scroll down until you are on the privacy section. And here in the privacy section, you will now be able to see the two options you can use to hide your Valorant name. For the first option, this lets you hide only your own name while still keeping others' names visible. And for the second option, this lets you hide all the names of the players on the game. So just turn on whatever you want between these two options. In my case, I will just turn on both. And after turning it on, it's done. Congratulations, your Valorant in-game name will now be hidden, and this is what it will look like when you are on a game. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.